Sevanne friends, welcome to my channel Himal Lovers. Today let's visit the Harihar Fort. Harihar Fort, also known as Harshagar, lies in Trimbak Tehsil, Nasik district in Maharashtra. It is around 154 kilometers from Mumbai and 40 kilometers from Nasik. Though the fort is built in a hill that looks like a rectangular shape from the base village, but it is built on a triangular prism of rocks. All the edges of the Harihar Fort are vertical, so the entry to the fort is only through the thrilling, iconic steps which are almost 80 degrees vertically inclined. It was constructed to look upon the trade route through the Gonda Ghat. Dear friends, please do watch the video till the end to see all the exciting places, and if you like the video, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe. We took the Khodala Harsha road via Kasara Ghat, and the views on the way to the base village was spectacular. There are two base villages to reach the fort. One is Nirgudpara and the other Harshewari. People coming from Mumbai and Pune opt for Nirgudpara, and those who come from Nasik prefer Harshewari, which is easier and shorter compared to Nirgudpara. It takes around 2.5 hours from Nirgudpara to reach the fort
We
and
started
2 hours
from
from
home,
Harshewari.
Ambarnath, at 4 o'clock, and we have reached Kotambadi, that is near Nirgudpara. Kotambadi is the next village, almost 200-300 meters, and it's already 8:48, that is 9 o'clock. So it took almost 5 hours for us to reach from there. So this is Kotambadi. Now we are going this way. The road is not good, and it's drizzling, light drizzling. बाय, चलिए फिर इधर से दो, इधर भी है एक, इधर भी है, इधर से जाओ. So भैया, bifurcation of two roads. You have to take the smaller one to the left side, not to the right. So you have to take this way.
It's 9 o'clock and date is 3rd
September
3rd September
2021.
2021, and we are
Going to Harihar Fort. It is in Trimbakeswar Tehsil, Nasik district, Maharashtra. Almost 132 kilometers from Ambarnath. That is the place we have come from. And we started at 4 o'clock in the morning, and we reached Kotambadi, that is near Nirgudwadi, at 9 o'clock, 8:48 almost. We have started from there. So we are going to Harihar Fort. That is 3,676 feet above sea level. It was built by Seona, that is Yadava dynasty, during the 9th to 14th century. There are so beautiful paddy fields, lush greenery everywhere. This is the benefit of coming during the monsoon. Look at the paddy field. There was one more bifurcation of the road down there, so you just climb up the hill. Don't go below that side. Just listen to the sound of the river flowing. It's so soothing, right? Back to nature. So refreshing. Lush green everywhere.
The trek uphill from Nirgurpara is blessed with soothing aura of rich green foliage and small streams which act as a stress buster and a perfect getaway for every trekker.
We have started ascent. There are two ways, from here and here. Now we have to find out which one to go. There are big mountains up here. And this side too. So we are not being able to make out which one is Harihar because it is under the fog cloud. See, can't see it clearly. That is the village we came from. Where? This side. There are rocky patches like this to climb. Orchids. These are the orchids. Ah, so nice. There is a village down there. So one road is coming from here. Maybe that is Harsewadi. This one. We came from this side. That is Nirgurpara or Kotamvali. So now we are confused as where to go because there is no distinct road to go up. Like there is a trail over here going towards, I think, Harsewadi, because there is one more village down there and one is coming from there. Now there is no trail leading up, so maybe let's see. There are few people on the top and we can hear them, so we are following that trail only. Maybe this one is the one. Very windy and very cool. There's fog everywhere. पहुंच के आ गए आप लोग? अब यहाँ से और 2-3 किलोमीटर है ऊपर. There are few people returning also. We were late. Ah, found the tapri. There is one tapri over here. See. Huh? There is one tapri over here. People come from two routes. One from Nasik, Trimbakeshwar, Harsewadi. The other we followed was from Khodala road. That is Nirgurpara and Kotamvali. We are going to take tea. There are maize, corn also there. Today can't see anything. Just enjoying the fog. We can hear only the people's voices. Can't make out how far it is. So it seems that we are about to reach the fort.
मादलले परेशान गर्छ नि अब मादल रहेछ घुमाथे जाऊ
एक ही रूट है ना यही?
आज भी भीड़
ऊपर से कुछ दिखा क्या? दिख रहा है ऊपर से कि जा रहे हो? दिख रहा है ऊपर से कुछ? नहीं दिख रहा है ना? और भी है ना? मैं हम लोग अम्बरडन से आए, वैसे मैं डालती हूँ। आप लोग कहाँ से आए? नासिक से आए? ऐसे घर से बड़ी से आए ना? घर से बड़ी के क्या है?
प्रॉपर नासिक।
हाँ नासिक। नीचे का गांव हर से बड़ी से आए?
हाँ हाँ
इसी रूट में होला
इकडनं कला
खोसे पनि खोसोस् खिचेगा there is a rock cut holes like this, so you can grip it over here and climb, because some of the stairs are all worn out over here. See, you have to climb. Jaguar is coming down there, so it will be easier to grip like this, so that you can pull yourself up. This is 80-degree inclination.
येऊन जा, काही टेन्शन नाही. अरे पाहुणे येऊन जा, काहीच टेन्शन नाही.
ठीक है.
कॉन्टॅक्ट चालू राहू द्या. सुदर्शन नाही चुकून अरे मग आपण
There is traffic jam out there. We came on Friday still. There is traffic jam. And the wind is see the wind. Can I hear? Have to climb like this. There is traffic.
14th century, built by Yadava dynasty, Sionar Yadava dynasty. Captain Briggs captured this in 1818 and he wanted to destroy this fort. But seeing the magnificence and beauty of this fort, he discarded the thought of blowing up this and destroying this. Yay! Now I am going. See how steep it is. 80 degree. Kalavati Durg was 60 degree. This is steep 80 degree. You can see how steep it is.
नजदीक आ गए आप बहुत।
अच्छा है आप चप्पल में आए, बिना चप्पल के
हाँ,
आए।
बिना चप्पल का ही चल रहे हैं।
अच्छा है ना, ग्रिप अच्छा मिलेगा।
हाँ। उलट शूज से अच्छे ग्रिप मिलते हैं। आओ ना अंकल, आप भी आओ ना। रुके क्यों? आ जाओ।
ताम तुम्ही तर टामा तुम ना बोलवा
हाथ पे कांप रहा है ना।
हाँ, कुछ नहीं, अभी आएगा। सिर्फ 1 ही घंटे का रास्ता है।
अभी और 1 घंटा है।
करो भाई मत तू काय बिस्कट करो
ये ग्रिप अच्छा है।
अरे बबलू दादा, आपके लिए 1 घंटे, मेरे लिए 1 तास है।
जगह ना रे पुलिस है ना अरे अजून खूप आहे यार पटापट
एक ही जण। एकच
एक गेला काय ओ चायनीज
नो नॉट चाइनीज।
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम
दार्जिलिंग
नॉट चायनीज दार्जिलिंग
So here is the Mahadharwaza.
Yeah, it is Mahadharwaza. Monkey, see that romance.
Don't go there. They will take your phone and that's
Yeah.
They will take your bag and cap also.
Yeah, no.
Yes, don't laugh seriously.
You all are there na to
Yes,
protect.
I am not coming in the camera.
He is shy. Who is not coming?
Yes, I am coming.
Who is coming? You all are from?
Nasi from India.
You are from?
Darjeeling. I am also from India only, West Bengal.
Acha, acha.
Oh, but today I have come from Ambernath.
So you are Adam.
No, my husband is Sunny.
Oh.
This is your husband.
Yeah.
Hello sir. Hello sir.
Good body, sir. Good body.
Good
We are
morning.
from Nasi.
You are from Nashik.
Yes.
You have YouTube channel.
Then why this video?
Only for memories.
Yes, nice. We think it is YouTube channel.
Yeah, nice.
ए, चलो ना, ए,
The Harihar Fort provides a breathtaking 360-degree panoramic view of the Sahyadri Trimbakeswar mountain range and many forts and hills like the Upper Vaitarna Reservoir, Brahma Parvat, Bhaskargarh, Navra Navri, Fani Dongar Hill and Brahmagiri. So nice, so beautifully designed. I wonder how they must have carved that also in the 9th century with no proper engineering tools. And the house soldiers must have climbed with all the garrisons. Now there is one more steep climb. Ah, see. Ooh, this is like this hole. Ah, how they must have made a hole over here. There is a hole over here, see, rectangle hole, and stairs are carved. Imagine the crowd on weekends. Weekdays only, during weekdays only there are so much crowd.
cisterns. यता आउँदा यस्तो छ नि त. There are water cut cisterns to store water. See. गणपति टेम्पल.
ठन्डा हुन्छ माछा पनि रहेछ हौ
माछा रहेछ.
है कसरी सर्भाइभ गर्दैन
माछा सानो खाले माछा रहेछ.
मतलब पानी सधैँ रहन्छ यहाँ आएर
पर्मिएबल रक्स हो नि यहाँबाट जाँदैन हुने इभ्यापोरेट भयो भने मात्रै. टेम्पल गयो. हनुमान पो त हौ. कत्रो बढी रहेछ यहाँ त. There is a lake over here, see? So big.
We can see the mesmerizing beauty of the elongated top plateau, the surreal lush greenery, and a blissful environment, especially during the monsoon. The rain-washed, cloud-capped, and the fog-dripped mountain top adds extra thrilling experience to the trek.
There are this type of purple flowers. See? Everywhere. Now the last part we are going. I think there is a storage. The thrilling part was the stays. The 80-degree inclined vertical stays. That was only the thrilling part. The rest today we are not so lucky for the views, but we are enjoying the monsoon weather. See, where will you get this fog flying? You have to climb on one more step, the rocks. खुट्टा चाहिँ भाँचिन्छ जस्तो छ.
यहाँ पिकमा
जानुपर्छ यति आइसकेपछि. यति आइसकेपछि यति माथि नजानु. यहाँ त कुछ ग्रिप छैन. ग्रिप छैन रहेछ केही पनि. फिसल्नेवाला रहेछ. There is no way.
झरना कसरी आएको होला माछा यो माछा यति मात्रै हुन्छ कि बढ्छ पनि के हो गङ्गटा रहेछ सेम त्यही हो त्यो कम्ती भएर त्यस्तो क्लियर देखेको कहाँ छ हौ? किन तर्साएको हो मलाई मैले भने त क्लिक माथि छ
Oh wow, this is it.
के मजाको क्लियर देखेछ माथिबाट अहिले
ओ थांबा थांबा
रुको हाँ, मैं आती हूँ इधर आप ऊपर आओ लो आओ
जाए तेरे साथ
that is Nirgur Para. Morning, we started at 9 o'clock from here and it is 4 o'clock now. So we took the whole day, enjoyed, spent a lot of time up there. So 4 o'clock, we'll be starting from here. This is Kotambadi village, a bit ahead from Nirgur Para, and that is Harihar Fort. Nirgur Para and Nirgur Wadi. That is Kotambadi. This is the route. Kotambadi village का स्कूल है. यही से रास्ता जाना. This is the road. Kotambadi. Bye bye.
अहिले यहाँबाट पनि देखेको
Wait. So this is Paddyfield, huh? That is Harishchandragarh. Harihar Fort. So this is the road for Kotambadi.
गाउँ देखायो
Here, this is Kotambadi, and that is Harishgarh. And we have to just climb up till there. Kotambadi, Kotambadi गाउँ, village.